A construction vehicle is heavy equipment, which is used at construction sites, especially for earthwork jobs. These are also known as heavy vehicles, engineering equipment, and heavy hydraulics. We explore the most popular types of heavy equipment. Loader. Also known as a bucket loader, wheel loader, and front loader, this equipment is used to transfer various materials, such as rock, sand, asphalt, snow, wood chips, and more, to another vehicle or machinery. The common types of loaders include armored wheel, tractor front, compact front end, skid ampersand, track, and swing loaders. Caterpillar 950H, Kawasaki 95ZV2, Hitachi ZW310, and the Volvo L120E are the most popular front loader trucks. The Letourneau L2350 is the world's largest loading equipment. Excavator. The common types of excavators include compact, dragline dredging, excavator wheel, excavator bagger, digger slurry wall, front shovel reclaimer, steam shovel suction, trencher machine and yarder. All these equipment help to transfer or dig or excavate various materials, and each one has been designed to perform a special task. Backhoe. This comprises of a bucket that assists in digging. It is usually found at the end of the equipment and helps to dig backwards. The eminent organizations producing these gears include Volvo Construction Equipment, Hitachi Construction Machinery Europe, Caterpillar Inc., Ford Motor Company, Komatsu, Deere Ampersand Company, and many more. Bulldozer. Bulldozers are crawlers that can push various materials, such as soil, sand, and more. This equipment comprises of a blade and ripper. It is usually used at mines, quarries, farms, heavy industries, and military bases. Shantui and Caterpillar Inc. are among the largest producers of bulldozers. Dump truck. A dump or tipper truck comes with a rear open box bed that helps to unload material to the ground. This gear has hinges at the rear, which have hydraulic pistons and help to lift the truck bed. The commonly used dump trucks include standard transfer, truck ampersand cup, super dump, semi-trailer and semi-trailer bottom, double ampersand triple trailer bottom, and more. Cement mixer. Also known as a concrete mixer, this gear helps mixing cement with various materials, such as gravel, sand, water, and more, to form concrete. It usually comprises of a revolving drum, which mixes these components. Crane. This apparatus comprises of a hoist, sheaves, and wire ropes or chains, and assists in lifting, ampersand lowering various materials. It is of great use in various industries, especially when attached to a motorized vehicle. The above-mentioned construction vehicles have made life easy for humans. These not only save time, but are economical too.